Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Streamfog on your PC. First open your browser and search for Streamfog on Google. Then go to the official website and download the software. Once the download is finished, open the file and install it on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch the app and allow the required network permissions. Then you can sign up using any of the available options. I will go ahead and sign up with my Google account. And that's it. You are all set. Now you can choose camera and start using filters similar to Snap Camera. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.